The future of NFTs and what will change. The rapid rise of NFTs in the art world has unavoidably spurred discussion about what makes art valuable, the nature of ownership, and perhaps most importantly, what to expect in 2022 and beyond. When digital artist Beeple's Every Day, the first 5,000 days, was sold as an NFT for a record breaking US 69 million, the appeal of digital art reappeared. If you haven't heard of NFTs yet, you will. This technology is a little hard to wrap your head around in the sense that it's so simple yet revolutionary. NFTs are changing the way we transmit data and connect with one another. The NFT community is growing now quicker than ever. Although 2021 was the year of NFTs, they're continuing to gain popularity and are becoming more noticeable in 2022. They're promising to influence so many things in the years after. Digital marketplaces and virtual real estate, dubbed the metaverse, the whole move to digital is coming to fruition in a big way. Along with the increasing significance of crypto and the emergence of NFTs, the virtual marketplaces, digital assets, and the way we connect in 2022 will be vastly different from previous years. NFTs are quickly becoming the most visible representatives of this shift. In 2021, the worldwide NFT market had a trading volume of about $23 billion, but in 2020, it only had a trading volume of 250 million. The expansion has been massive, right? I mean, even before WazirX's NFT marketplace was opened, 15,000 artists and producers applied to be a part of it. So now that NFTs are already influencing almost everything around the globe, the big question is, what are some of the things that'll change due to the emergence of NFTs? This video will take you through the journey. This is because for the first time in history, blockchain technology can be used to verify and track the provenance and ownership of digital data via NFTs. The trend for 2022 appears to be buying and selling fractionalized NFTs of real-world artwork by well-known painters, with fractionalized NFTs allowing investors to invest in high-value crypto assets for a fraction of the cost. As it was written in a recent publication that Indian artists are also making waves in the NFT art world, in February 2022, an Indian artist known as Gobardhan Ash led the country's first ever NFT auction. This 50 billion annual opportunity is attracting an increasing number of art aficionados and investors. NFTs have also dived into the metaverse, as gaming was considered the second most important area of development for NFTs in 2021, as NFTs have ushered in a new era of gaming, as blockchain-based play-to-earn games that reward players with in-game assets have ushered in the first time that gamers are truly the owners of their assets, which they can then sell on NFT marketplaces for a profit. One of the most popular games of 2021 was Axie Infinity, which used both NFTs and cryptocurrency. The trading volume on Axie's NFT market topped $1 billion, while the daily active participant count surpassed 1 million. Axie's characters are also tokenized, requiring users to buy at least 3 Axie NFTs before they can start playing. It's only a matter of time before India sees an NFT gaming revolution, with a gaming population of over 300 million people and one of the world's largest crypto markets. But there's a new trend in gaming that goes beyond play to earn and has far reaching repercussions beyond traditional gaming: the metaverse. If you're unfamiliar with the metaverse, it's a digitally shared space that blends virtual and physical reality. The metaverse is being heralded as the future of online interactions and the next stage of the internet by many. Mark Zuckerberg recently announced the rebranding of Facebook as Meta, as well as the firm's ambition to become a metaverse company. Meta aspires to create a virtual world that combines business, pleasure, and social interaction. So, what does this mean in terms of NFTs? In Zuckerberg's announcement, he stressed that the metaverse must include privacy, security, and interoperability. As our lives become increasingly digital, we'll want more secure methods of proving ownership of our identities and digital assets. Consider the metaverse to be a digital version of the real world. You can talk to other people, explore, shop, and complete challenges. The same non-fungibility of assets that are being experienced in the actual world is enabled by NFTs in this area. NFTs have also raised the bar in the area of fundraising, as there's always an opportunity for charity anywhere there are huge sums of money, large investors, and valuable objects up for grabs. Fundraising has evolved as an inevitable outcome of NFTs as the world comes to terms with the benefits of tokenization. Using smart contracts to create NFTs that donate money to a good cause with each transaction expands the altruistic possibilities even more. NFTs and smart contract algorithms are secured by blockchain technology, which provides a transparent, publicly traceable database that assures funds reach designated charity organizations. Furthermore, cryptocurrency based charitable payments have a reduced transaction fee and provide near instant refunds. Have you noticed a dramatic increase in the number of Instagram or Twitter profile images using a monkey, giraffe, or some other unusual animal? That too can be attributed to NFTs becoming more mainstream. Twitter announced in January 2022 that users can now switch their profile images for NFTs, and Meta hopped on board almost immediately. To address the issue of right click and save, social media businesses are developing a logo that'll distinguish between uploaded photos and NFTs validated within the user's cryptocurrency wallet. This has resulted in the formation of exclusive metaverse social clubs and communities, with the common denominator being ownership of the same artist's NFT. The Saboshi Social Club is a metaverse social club with over 10,000 Saboshi NFTs. It's an exclusive private club for Saboshi NFT owners. Members of other NFT collections, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, enjoy social perks. Future social gatherings will be driven by NFTs. Because of the core NFT feature in the tokenization of tangible assets, many established sectors are likely to be disrupted by blockchain shortly. Music and film are two of the most prominent industries expected to benefit from the influence of NFTs, as listeners will be able to join in and comment as well as release their music on various platforms throughout the metaverse. Audiences will be rewarded with privileges such as early releases and additional tunes thanks to NFTs on the blockchain. Meanwhile, streaming has revolutionized content delivery in the entertainment and music industries. NFTs have given filmmakers and television shows a whole new way to sell merchandise and crowdfund their work. The NFTs have and promise to influence the areas of documentation in the years to come. It'll be used to validate documents such as degrees, driver's license, medical records, and other documents. When it comes to university credentials, for example, managers may simply verify potential seekers' suffocations and agreements. But what's the point of it all? The primary reason for this is to prevent fraud and make verification processes simpler and faster. This has already been put in place, as BlockCerts is an example of this type of blockchain service because it's already enabled academic verification. It does, however, make use of NFT technology and the concept, so the documentation process is expected to be easier and faster through the use of NFTs as time goes by. Niels Henrik Soderman, CEO and founder of Qt, in his interview recently with the Ticketing Business News, made a declaration that the largest shift that would be seen in the business over the next 5 years is the development of digital components in the ticketing income stream. The combination of ticketing sales and NFTs is an excellent example of this. No wonder several firms such as Get Protocol and Centurify are introducing NFTs to the realm of ticketing. The ability to create tickets as NFTs is to allow people to have more control over the resale market, more secure ticket storage, and the ability to view tickets as digital treasures. Therefore, the value produced for clients would be twofold. These are the opportunity to attend a live entertainment event and an exclusive and personal digital asset. The days of signature albums and t-shirt tables are long gone. You can imagine the temptation of attempting to hold on to that experience once it's gone by owning the video of your favorite song, a personal signature from the artist, or a one-of-a-kind artist, tour, and city commemorative with performances. NFT ticketing goes even further, as NFT's future in tickets promises lifetime value, exclusive access, and additional incentives for buyers.